In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps of creating a new alert. We're actually going to do two. We're going to do one for sending a text alert out for when an irrigation starts, and then a second one for sending a text alert out for when an irrigation stops. So it's pretty straightforward. The first thing we want to do is click on the configured button. This pops up a list of all our alerts that have been configured. We're going to create a new one. So up here in the top left is create alert. So we're going to click on that. So here it pops up our alert window, and we can give it a name. So we'll call this irrigation start. You can use any name you want. We're going to make it active. Now we want to pick the station that we want the alert to be sent by. So we'll pop up this Almond West site. And the sensor we're going to alert off is the pressure switch averaged. So now that we have that, and to show a starting alert, it's when it hits this upper threshold. So we're going to use the upper, and we'll choose 0.9 as our value. So just below 1. So when the irrigation starts, it goes from 0 to 1. So we want to show when it crosses over a 0.9, almost 1, and goes to 1. So I'm going to choose a recipient. I'm actually going to set myself up. So we'll go New Contact. Put my information in here. And I'll put my cell phone to receive the text message. We'll add that. So now I show up as a recipient. I'm going to add myself. And I want to select text message because I want to receive a text message. And then here in the message text, you can see what it shows here. It shows Almonds West Station upper. It's an upper threshold. And it shows the reading that we're going to cross over. And I'm going to add here in this text message, irrigation started. So I know that that's the irrigation start. And we'll click Save. So now that's been set up. Now let's create another one. We'll go back to the Create Alert, and this time we're going to call it Irrigation Stop. We'll choose the same site again. That was the Almond West Station. And this time we're going to do lower, and we're going to do 0.1. So what I'm saying is when it goes to 0, the irrigation is turned off. So by using 0.1, when it crosses from 0.1 to 0, it will send out an alert. And we're going to choose our sensor again, the pressure switch. And since I've added myself, I just need to pull myself from the list here. At the bottom, and hit plus to add me, and it's going to be a text message again. And this time I'm going to add to this text, irrigation stopped. That's my custom message I want, and click Save. And there it shows that it's been created. So when we go back, I believe we had 11 configured alerts. Let's see what we have. We have 13 now. So that's adding 2 new alerts. One for I'll get a text when my irrigation starts, and secondly I'll get a text when my irrigation stops, and it'll tell me that's for the Almond West site. So those are the steps.